Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today's little mission is some engine detailing. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is get the car at the garage, and then I'm going to show you what I intend to do while the weather's still dry. Right, well, she's been sat for a week, so let's just see if she'll start. Should do. Just need to get her out the garage so I can do what I've got to do. There, I reckon. I have to check a little bit. Handbrake on. Right. Just get the bonnet prop up a second. Right, so there we go. Where the car's been sat for so long, it's just got surface rust and debris from being sat in storage. Little things like down here, there's been a bit of an oil leak, so I want to clear all this off. So I've got some gunk which I'm going to spray on and agitate with a brush, and then I'll let the then I'll rinse it off, obviously, and then I'll let the heat of the engine just dry everything off. Yeah, get all the crud off that's around here. Right, so I've got these products to use. I've got my Gunk engine degreaser. I've also got the tin version as well. That's going to be brushed on, and this obviously I can just apply liberally to the engine bay and all around the sump of the engine. So yeah, no time like the present, let's get on with it. So just going to give it a few coats all around the engine block. Well, I can get a brush on there. Let me bring you in for a bird's eye view. So I'm just agitating all this dirt, which is, I imagine it's been leaking oil for a little while. I'm probably going to end up finding those oil leaks again, but it's not been done before, so I get this all over my clothes, my hands, my face, but used to it. This is below the timing chain pulley cover. She had a bit of an oil leak here at some point. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing to film when you're trying to clean an engine, so I might put the camera down, just get it done, and then show you the results afterwards. Oh, I still need to do a bit more. I'm just letting it dry off at the moment so I can carry on around the engine bay. I want to paint the rocker cover at some point, or maybe get a new one for it. And this is all going to be detailed, so I'll just let this dry off and then I'll crack on with a bit of a old T-cut. That's a bit better. It's not perfect, but I wasn't really going for factory showroom fresh. I was just wanted to get the worst off. But it really is a very solid little car. All the inner wings are good. Even down by the old tie bar mountings, they normally go around there, but absolutely solid. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I'm using Autoglim's vinyl and rubber dressing. I'm just going to apply that liberally to the plastic and rubber hoses in the engine bay, and just it just gives it a nice factory fresh finish. So let's put some of that on and see how she looks.
Three days later.
Well, that's a bit better. I've still got to do things like apply dressing to the rubber boots on the back of the headlights. A bit more TLC here or there. But arguably looking a lot cleaner than it was. Right, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, you might have noticed the car's back up on its suspension. Yeah, no, the repair didn't work. I sealed it up last week, came out to it yesterday afternoon and pumped it back up, and I thought I'd cured the problem, but overnight it started to weep again, so that's going to call it for the car for the moment. I think I'm going to have to garage it over the winter and just wait until the new year when they can come out and repair it properly. I've got it booked in with a repair service, and they're going to replace all the pipe work and the rear displacers on the car, so hopefully I'll be riding properly once again early next year, so watch this space. Next I'm probably going to tackle the brakes. I've got front brake hoses and pads to do, so that'll be another video for another day. So yeah, thank you for watching, and catch you all soon.